Welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll show you how to fix the No Internet Found issue on the Riot Client. First, open the search bar and type View Network Connections. Click on it. Find your network adapter, double-click it, then click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is checked. Next, select Use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS server, type 888. For the alternate DNS server, type 8844. Click OK to save. Search for CMAD and right-click on Command Prompt. Select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. Next, type netsh int IP reset and press Enter again. Finally, restart your computer. After it reboots, the issue should be fixed, and you can open the Riot Client without any problems. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.